Well, according to the QS rankings, we're number 12 in the world and we're the best in Asia. We like to see ourselves as a player on a global stage. That's why we make these link-ups with other good programs overseas so that our students have exchange opportunities. That's why we make links with organizations where students can do internships. We like to see ourselves as an international player, and the great thing is other folks have started to say, yes, you are, and the rankings reflect that.
The school has a diverse course offering across our specialization tracks of journalism, advertising, PR, research, as well as broadcast, all of which really allow our students to dive deep into the very professions and industries they're interested in.
In about 2 days' time, I'm going off to Penang with a whole group of students, and we're shooting overseas digital documentaries. 5 units, 5 stories going on simultaneously in 5 days. So that's an example of how important it is to get all this message out to everybody.
What we are doing now is that we are always planning ahead for the students, making sure that they have successful careers 5 years later, 10 years later.
I'm very grateful to be given the opportunity to go beyond the classroom and even venture overseas to go on an exchange program in Sweden. This has helped widen my worldview and perspective on things.
I think the school pushes me to be a critical thinker because journalism is a very dynamic field. Whether I'm working with my professors, whether I'm working with my fellow classmates, we are not just working towards a deadline for the assignment, but are working towards creating content for tomorrow.
I think the WKW spirit isn't something you can put into words, but it's something that when you come here, you'll feel it. And I think even people who aren't from the school, when they come here for our events and they see WKW students, it's something you can feel. It's different from other schools.
So with the facilities and with the people and the culture of WKW, I believe that this is the right direction for me to go.